Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you a brand new confirmed airdrop which is called Beldex. They have huge over 200k followers on Twitter at the time of making this video. If you check their pin post, then you can see they announced their loyalty program is live and you can participate and claim BDX tokens as airdrop rewards. As for the funding, they have huge 36 million funding, and the best part is their airdrop is confirmed, which is great. If you check their investors, then you can see lots of well-known names such as DWF Labs, Sigma Capital, their lead investor, and more. So Beldex is a privacy-focused blockchain for private transactions, messaging, browsing, and digital identity. If you want to know more about them, then you can visit their website. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for all the latest videos. And most importantly, you must join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto news and airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you'll find the site link. So if you use my referral link, you will earn an extra 100 points. So to get started, click here on Connect Wallet. Then click on Connect with Ethereum. Now you can choose any of these following wallets. So I will select MetaMask, then click on connect and then confirm the request, and then you are ready to go. So as you can see, their loyalty program is live. So here you can earn Beldex points. You need to climb higher on the leaderboard, and for that you can earn airdrop rewards. So first click on your profile, then go to the edit profile section. So here you can add an image, add a display name, your location, and write a short description about yourself. Then click on the accounts and wallet section. Then here you need to connect all the following social media accounts. First you need to connect your Twitter account, so click on connect, then authorize, and done. Then you need to connect Telegram, and done. Then you need to connect Discord, so click on connect and authorize, and done. Then you can also connect YouTube. Then you need to connect your email, so enter your email here, then click on continue. Then check your email, so verify your email, and it's done. After connecting your socials, you are ready to complete all the tasks. So first here you need to like their post, so click on go to post, which will redirect you to Twitter. So simply like and retweet, then go back to the airdrop page and click on claim, and done. Next task is you need to follow, so again click on go to post, then follow, and come back and claim, and it's done. Similarly, you need to complete the other tasks as well. Next you have some community tasks which you can easily complete. So you need to follow them on LinkedIn. Also you need to follow them on Twitter, Telegram, etc. And most importantly, you need to join their Discord. So to join their Discord, click here on go to Discord, then accept the invite, then solve the CAPTCHA, and continue the process by answering a few questions. After joining, come back and click on claim, and done. Then here you have the invite friend option. Click here on get my referral link. Then you will find your referral link which you can share with friends to boost your points. Then here you have the weekly check-in option. Click here on check-in. For that you will earn points once every week, so don't miss to claim this. So that's it for this video. Please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.